Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Remove these two threaded clips. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen them. So you just kind of turn and they'll pop up a little bit. Do the same for both. We'll take our plastic prying tool, just kind of get it up underneath there, pull this clip out. If it doesn't come out, that's fine. Just get the center part out. That basically unlocks it. I'm going to use a flat bladed screwdriver here to pop this one out. You need to remove this cover, so carefully take the flat bladed screwdriver, pop it up, and take it out. There's two 10mm bolts here. They do have Phillips head openings, but I'm going to use a 10mm socket, extension, and ratchet to remove them. So I'll start with the top one. These are just threaded self-tapping bolts going to grommets. Remove both of them. Taillight assembly is loose. Pull it straight to the back. Start pulling it off of the clips here and here. And now we have access to the bulbs. So counterclockwise to unlock that bulb socket. Do the same for all of them. I'll just let them hang. And remove the tail lamp housing. Install the tail lamp. Start with turn the harness around here. Install the turn signal bulb. It goes in the lower one. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Brake light bulb. Turn it clockwise to lock it. And the same for the side marker bulb. These two pins here line up with these two clips here. So to push them in, right up against the body with the tail lamp, it snaps into place. Reinstall the 10mm bolts. Once they get tight, I'll just stop. Reinstall the trim cover. One of these clips is broken, this one's still good. It slides in this way. Oh, there was a clip up here, it slid into here. Goes in, slide it up and around. Push this clip in place. Just kind of snaps down. This one, push the center in because it came apart. And then push this middle part in to lock it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.